Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make an armchair. I have this box from block Notice and I am gonna make an armchair. I need some legs. I made the legs from this carton. I'm gonna cut them out. I need a square shape. I use thin carton. I cut the excess. I'm gonna paint them with black. I'm gonna paint also the chair with black. A piece of sponge. I'm gonna cut a piece of material. Let's glue the sponge. I glue the legs. This is the chair. Oh, I love this chair. It's my favorite one and it's so comfy. Until next time. Bye bye guys.